Hey guys, today we have a really special addition to the Putco Venture Tec Overlanding Rack. It is Putco's Blade LED third brake light. Really awesome features with this, and this goes across all of the Blade series LEDs that they have. It's a full one-piece design here, so absolutely 100% waterproof. Now, among that, of course, we have the option to go right ahead in this flush mount here on our rack. This is available in a couple of different sizes. We have the 36 installed here. You can also go with the 44. In and among that, we also have this wired up to the taillights for full function and operation there. A 6,000 Kelvin output. A lot of that comes from, of course, their full chip on board, which makes this a really powerful LED. Again, as far as Putco's brilliance with that, you're going to have years and years of reliable service from this LED. This is not going to be your average off the beaten path LED. They have absolutely thought of everything with this. As far as the wiring does go, you're not going to need an electrician's degree to get this done. We go right in through the actual tube of the overland rack itself, and there's actually another groove. Again, Putco's thought of everything. There's another groove on the mounting plate that helps you get that through the stake pocket hole to wherever you need to get as far as wiring up. Any questions, any comments, definitely let us know and join us at RHRSwag.com.